Hi, today I'm making Strawberry Kiwi Cucumber Cooler. So this is actually just a nice spring drink, and it has a lot of flexibility and versatility. In a pitcher of 2 quarts, I'm using about a quarter to half filled with ice. And from there, I'm slicing about a half a cup of cucumbers thinly. I have 2 ripe kiwis that I've actually included. You can add more. 1 to 2 cups of sliced strawberries, and I use sugar cubes so it dissolves a little better. This is optional, but I add the sugar cubes to the ice, all of the fruit and the cucumbers, and then I'm adding the beverage of my choice. So you can use club soda, you can use water, you can use wine. It's entirely up to you. Next, you're going to mix this very well, and it doesn't need anything. You may want to garnish it with a little mint, but it is a wonderful sort of refreshing drink. It's perfect for these spring days. It's a nice accompaniment to appetizers or a after dinner drink. It's entirely up to you, but I definitely recommend the Strawberry Kiwi Cucumber Cooler.